how much should you actually spend on flip-flops for women? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Qilu Arch Support Flip-Flops. First up is the Qilu flip-flops priced at $13.99. What caught my eye is their striking design and the claims of comfort with arch support. If you want a stylish option that can keep your feet happy all day, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These sandals feature a cushioned yoga mat footbed made from memory foam EVA, which means you get that soft, cloud-like feel while walking, perfect for long summer days. With over 25,300 reviews and a 4.3-star rating, it's clear that others are loving them too. The arch support is a game changer, especially if you struggle with foot fatigue or conditions like plantar fasciitis. Plus, the non-slip rubber sole ensures you won't be slipping when you're out and about. Now, some people complained about the durability, saying they wore out quicker than expected. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for affordable comfort and style for casual outings, this is still a great option, especially for those who don't need heavy-duty sandals. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish flip-flop for the beach or casual hangouts. Skip this one if you need something for more rugged use. For the price, you really can't go wrong. Now, if the durability concerns about the Qilu bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Qilu Elegant Bow Sandals. Next, we have another one from Qilu priced at $15.99. This one features a cute bow design that really caught my attention. If you want something a bit dressier without sacrificing comfort, this is a solid choice. The elegant bow knot strap adds a trendy touch, meaning you can easily dress these up or down. The cushioned footbed provides that same yoga mat comfort, which is perfect for walking around all day without your feet begging for mercy. With the same impressive 4.3-star rating and over 25,300 reviews, this option is just as popular. The arch support here is fantastic, allowing you to wear them for longer stretches without feeling tired. However, some reviewers mention that the bow can feel a bit tight at first. I'll be real with you, that might be a deal breaker if you prefer a looser fit. But if you can handle a little break-in period, you'll appreciate how they shape to your feet. This is perfect for you if you want a flirty, stylish option for summer outings or date nights. Skip this one if you need something super casual. It's a bit more expensive, but the style is definitely worth it. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for casual daily wear. Product number 3, Qilu Classic Casual Sandals. Next, we have another option from Qilu priced at $15.99. This is a classic flip-flop design that's perfect for any casual occasion. If you want something that hits the sweet spot between casual and cute, this is definitely worth a look. These sandals also feature the cushioned yoga mat footbed and arch support, so you're getting that same level of comfort. With the same high rating of 4.3 stars from 25,300 reviews, it's clear people are satisfied with them. The non-slip rubber sole is a lifesaver when you're on wet surfaces, definitely peace of mind during summer pool parties. On the downside, a few users pointed out that they felt the sizing ran a bit small. Here's the thing though, if you can try them on or order a size up, you'll likely avoid any issues. They're too cute and comfy to pass up. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable casual flip-flop that goes with everything. Skip this one if you have wide feet, as the sizing might be a hassle. You get a lot of value for the price. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more upscale, let's check out our next pick. Product number 4, Project Cloud Lightweight Sandals. Next up is the Project Cloud Flip-Flops priced at $26.90. Now, I know this is on the higher end, but stick with me. If you want something that combines style and durability, this is definitely worth considering. These sandals are crafted with an elegant leather upper which gives them a refined look. They're designed to be lightweight so you won't feel weighed down, perfect for all-day wear. The non-slip outsole really enhances your stability on slippery surfaces, making them ideal for beach days or poolside lounging. With a rating of 4.4 stars from 2,500 reviews, they're seen as a premium option. Some users did mention that the leather can feel a bit stiff at first. Here's the thing, if you're willing to break them in, you'll find they offer great support and comfort once you do. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, upscale flip-flop for casual outings. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget since you can find cheaper options that still offer comfort. But for the quality, it's a good investment. Alright, if you're looking for something super affordable without skimping on style, the last one on our list will surprise you. Product number 5. Footwear budget-friendly sandals. Finally, we have another option from Footwear priced at just $9.99. If you're looking for a budget-friendly flip-flop that doesn't compromise on comfort, you'll want to pay attention to this one. These sandals have the same cushioned footbed and arch support that the others have. The soft cloth bow design is cute and trendy, making them great for almost any occasion. The non-slip rubber sole provides traction, giving you confidence on wet or slippery surfaces. With over 25,300 reviews and a solid 4.3-star rating, they're proving to be a favorite. However, some customers noted they didn't last as long as expected. Here's the thing, if you're looking for a reliable everyday sandal without breaking the bank, this is still a fantastic choice for casual outings. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish option that won't empty your wallet. Skip this one if you're looking for something more durable. For the price, you can't beat the value. So to wrap it up, we've covered some amazing options today. The Footwear sandals offer great comfort and style at an affordable price. If you're looking for something a bit dressier, check out the Project Cloud sandals. Each option has its pros and cons, so it really depends on your personal needs. Whatever you choose, make sure it's a flip-flop that keeps your feet happy all summer long.